With 20 years of focus on automated crayon production, our independently developed automatic crayon molding machine is efficient, reliable, stable, and durable, empowering customers all over the world. The machine is equipped with a complete core structure, including a mixer, material barrel, cooling circulation system, pan ejection system, and receiving belt. The copper molding molds ensure precise and uniform forming. The material barrel adopts 3-layer stainless steel, which is corrosion resistant, wear resistant, and has a longer service life. It can be flexibly connected with labeling machines and paper rolling machines to form a complete and reliable crayon production line. With strong and stable production capacity, it greatly saves labor and time costs. Direct supply from the original factory with no middleman, and full quality control throughout the process. We sincerely invite global customers to cooperate and build a win-win future together.